Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aaiya. If you're new here, nice to meet you. If you're coming back, I appreciate you popping back in. And today's video is different. So I'm going to go on a road trip with my husband and kids. So I got two teen girls and a 4-year-old son, and we are going to drive to Las Vegas, Nevada. Yay! I love Vegas. The one thing that I run into with bringing your family there is you don't want to really wear heels, but you want to look cute and fun and just, you know, look good, but wearing like flip-flops and tennis shoes as much as you can, right? So if you're interested in seeing what I'm bringing, stick around, enjoy, and hope you guys like these outfits that I put together. And let's get into the video. As a wife and a mother and bringing kids and going to Vegas, I have to pick out the outfits that I can walk around in. I'm not going to the clubs or anything. So I thought I'd pop on my camera, show you guys in case anyone else is interested on what they should bring to kind of look stylish and like cute and fun. Okay guys, I'm not gonna explain anymore. Let's just continue this video. Keep it going, it's gonna be quick. Simple, sweet, you're gonna love it. Okay, this is actually what I'm wearing on the way to Vegas. Actually gonna have to stop, drive 8 hours, stop, and then drive 10 hours to get to Vegas. This is actually gonna be one of my drive around outfits. Gotta love these sets. Perfect for long drives, going to the airport, around the house, whatever. But this is actually like one of my go-tos. Super comfortable. If you get too hot, you just take it off. Just simple, cute, can't do wrong with sets. And let's dive into the next outfit. Okay, so this is a must for me, a bodycon dress, and it's perfect. It goes well with tennis shoes. You always want a dress that goes good with either sandals or tennis shoes, and these dresses are amazing for Vegas. Always like breathable, and you can just move around freely in them. Like super cute. I threw on a black little choker. I'm gonna have my hair like in a high ponytail just to kind of make me look more mature than I am dressing right now. And plus it gets your hair out of your way, just easier to control. You know, if you're a mom, you want your hair back and up. It does look really good with that. I am wearing like a bodycon shaper just to make sure everything's in the right place because Vegas food is amazing, and I just want to like keep shoving food in my throat at that place in Vegas. So good. So yeah, you definitely need a bodycon outfit, like dress, and one that goes well with sneakers or flip-flops. Okay, here's the next one. Super cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it's just fun, walk around in. Super cute. You can go to a restaurant in it. I don't know, just something about it. Just screams fun, Vegas, party, and you'll stay cool. So definitely cute. Cute with plain old tennis shoes. Again, I don't like to bring that many shoes, items, accessories to Vegas with me. I just like to keep it simple, but still dress cute, fun, and relax. So this is another good outfit. Okay, so you guys need a dress to go to Vegas and to probably for going to a restaurant, a nicer restaurant. This is what I chose. It is simple. It's, you know, pinstripe, classy, and I love it. It's perfect. You can wear it with heels, which I put on. I haven't decided if I want to wear heels. Probably not. So I'm going to show you real quick what they look like on flip-flops and sneakers because you want to pick out a dress that you can wear with both. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so here it is with just plain flip-flops. I prefer just plain black ones. I either need to buy some or find my other pair because I think pinstripe with dazzle at the bottom doesn't really go well together, so I'm gonna look for plain black ones. But you guys get an idea. This dress goes well with flip-flops if you need to. That's what I need in Vegas, so that's what I'm gonna do. And now I'm gonna show you guys a tennis shoe that kind of looks good with this dress. because you definitely need to figure out flip-flops or tennis shoes. My feet have like a very much need for arch support, so tennis shoes work a little better for me. So that's just what I need to do. I need to figure out outfits that look good with flip-flops and with tennis shoes, because sometimes flip-flops irritate my arch and my foot. So that's me. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you this dress with tennis shoes so you can see what I mean. Okay, so here it is with tennis shoes that I picked. I just picked plain and black tennis shoes, so that way it's not too noticeable that I'm wearing tennis shoes with like a little pinstripe dress. So I prefer to wear flip-flops, but with my arch support, if I really need to, I just put my little arch support paddings in my shoes and I can just walk around like this and still look cute. So that's why you want to pick something that you can wear flip-flops and tennis shoes with, unless you can walk around all day in high heels. Power to you. I can't. My feet will not let me. My arch support will not let me. So this is what I'm going to work with, and it's cute. So, all right, moving on to the other items that I have for you guys. Okay, so here's another outfit. This one is gonna probably be my last day in Vegas. Just sometimes, actually a lot of times in the casinos is really cold, so I like to have a little jacket. And I mean, you could take it off. It's just plain like I'm all black and white right now, but it's cute, it's simple, and it's stylish. Like, I know these Nikes are kind of falling apart. I need new ones, but having just some Nikes and a cute little matching, it's not Nike, it's Adidas, but having something that kind of matches, just simple, plain and white and black, it looks good. If you're cold in the casino, you just throw this on, and I feel like it's just cute, simple, and kind of momish like, but it's still stylish. And if you get hot, you just tie it around your waist, do that whole thing, and I feel like it still looks really cute. And you're wearing tennis shoes, big plus, very comfortable and stylish, and you match. I mean, I could fold this a little bit better, but it's black and white and it matches, and it's cute and it's simple and it's like sporty. So I'm digging it. I'm definitely gonna bring this with me. Okay, so here I am wearing just a plain tank top. This is actually a bodysuit, and you definitely want one with snaps down below for bathroom purposes when you're in Vegas. Just easier in general. And then I just paired it with these blue jean shorts and white tennis shoes. So I kind of matched the tennis shoes with the wording. If the wording was black, I would have worn black tennis shoes. But just simple, you know, chill, walk around, sightsee type outfit. It's perfect if you don't want to wear a dress or a skirt. Shorts are amazing. You just gotta match it with some cute shoes and a cute top, a little bit of jewelry, good to go. And yeah, can't wait to wear it. Walking around out downtown can get a little dirty on the strip. So these ones are the very rubbery kind of white tennis shoes. Just easier to clean, not like the fabric type, because that's not very fun to clean. So I made sure to get the ones with like the rubber coating. Simple, cute, plain, fun, love the color, vacay mode, going on vacation, super excited, I love it. So, and it goes well with tennis shoes. Oh yes, I do want to share a little trick that I do when I am going on a trip that might help you. And this, I'm a very visual person, so this helps me. It might not help you, but usually when I'm packing, I write a list, and then when I'm done with the list, I actually go through and pat myself down, kind of like a cop. I just like pat my hair and like, okay, my hairbrush, my makeup, my earrings, my necklace, and then I just think of everything that would be on my body, and my underwear and pants and shoes, socks, and that usually helps me. I do want to bring a pair of pants just in case, probably black skinny jeans or something, just because most of my outfit has black shoes. So I do want to bring a pair of black pants with me. Just, I want it simple. I'm actually going to bring this cute little backpack that I have, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so here's the little backpack I'm going to bring. I like it just because it's back there. There's lots of room if you have anything any souvenirs you want to put in here. Like a backpack is really nice. It also doesn't make you have to carry another extra thing because you do want to walk around with drinks, water, whatever. So backpacks are really nice. One thing I get paranoid is if someone tries to get in my bag while I'm walking. I haven't had that yet, and I'm very good at protecting my bag, but just so you guys know, that's just what I worry about the most. So backpacks are really nice for Vegas, any kind of trip. And yeah, I'm taking this bag, no other purse. Maybe a cute, like some small little classy purse for my dress that I'm gonna wear, but other than that, I'm gonna keep things small. Alright guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash up that thumbs up button. Why do people always say smash that thumbs up button? I don't know, but don't forget to hit that and that bell so you don't miss out on any videos right when I upload them, and which is every Sunday. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you have some ideas on what to wear when you go to a trip with the family and still look cute and stylish. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.